fellow scientists. In this study, I want us to look at work, energy, and work generally is equal to energy, and work is given by product of force multiplied by the displacement, and the energy is the ability to do work. So in order for you to do work, you require what is called energy. So energy is needed in order for you to do work, and the power is the rate of doing work. There are different types of energy which exist, and energy can be transformed from one form to another. So in today's study, we are going to look at one type of energy which is referred to as kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is energy which your body possesses due to a state of motion. So whenever any object is moving, then it possesses type of energy called kinetic energy. And in general, kinetic energy, Ke stands for kinetic energy, is given by half multiplied by the product of mass multiplied by the velocity squared. So that is how we get kinetic energy. Now, here, m is the mass in kilogram, and the v is the velocity, and the v is the velocity in meters per second. So we can have example. We can have example here. Two bodies. This body is moving towards the direction shown here with a velocity of 3 meters per second, and it has a mass of 10 kg. So the question is, you determine the kinetic energy. So it is very simple. For Roman 1, kinetic energy is given by half the product of mass multiplied by velocity squared, which is equal to half. Our mass is 10 in Roman 1 multiplied by 3. You square 3. Square means you multiply it 3 times. So this will give you 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 10 will give you 90 over 2, which will give you 45. The unit of energy in general, it is joules. So kinetic energy for this body is 45 joules. Roman 2, always we begin by writing the formula. Kinetic energy is given by half mv squared. Half mv squared. So we substitute kinetic energy will be equal to half. Our mass is 15. Our velocity in this case is 1 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 15 is 15 over 2, which is the same as 15 divided by 2 will give you 7.5 joules. So the kinetic energy for this case is 7.5 joules. So this is just the example, simple example, but the concept work even for the complex example, when you have a system of bodies which is colliding. But for the purpose of building the fundamentals, it is important to begin at whereby we are considering simple example, so that the concept may be simplified for the learners to grasp and understand what is going on. So today we have looked at kinetic energy, and we have seen that kinetic energy is energy due to motion, and it is given by half the product of mass multiplied by velocity squared. And in this case, note that mass is in kilogram, and the velocity is in meters per second. So when you are working, ensure that mass is in kilogram and the velocity is in meters per second. So I have given you simple example here. You have one body here which has mass 10 kg, and it is moving towards the direction shown here with a velocity of 3 meters per second. So to get kinetic energy, it will be given by half mv squared, which can be given as half times 10 times 3 times 3. This is 9 times 10, 90, divided by 2, 45 joules per kilogram. And then this other case, the result it is as shown here. So thanks so much for watching this video. For other types of energy, you can check in my YouTube channel at Luke Aaron 1. So if you go to the YouTube and you type this name the way I've written here, Luke Aaron 1, you are going to access other studies on type of kinetic energy. Also remember to like. Also you can share with the other scientists, and also to subscribe to this channel, plus clicking on the notification bell so that you get the notification every day when I post a video concerning fundamentals of physics and other field of study, even mathematics. Bye bye, see you in the next video.